As a managing broker team, we really like to ensure that we are supporting our associates no matter what stage of their career they may be in.
It is very exciting when I sit down with an agent and we talk about either certain goals or there's a specific property that they're trying to get sold. Being able to watch them and coach them and support them to be able to achieve those goals is what keeps us jumping out of bed each day, because it's very exciting.
One of the great strengths of our brokerage is the commitment that the owners have made to bringing in the strongest management team in our region. We have absolutely phenomenal managers at all of our offices, and we work in a very collaborative way to support our agents. It's something I think is one of our true great strengths.
Our firm is structured in such a way that any associate can reach out to any managing broker. In fact, we encourage that, and we encourage associates to know managing brokers in other offices.
What I like to say is that once you're part of the Sotheby's ecosystem, you can go anywhere, ask anyone a question, really be a part of our community, not just with one office, but with all of us, with our entire leadership team.
The management team here has been with the company for many years now, and because of that, they understand the history of where we've come from and where we plan to go in the future. And it is that experience that our management team has that allows us to convey our culture to those who are joining us.
They're very involved in their local communities. They serve on the boards of GCAR, NVAR, Bright MLS, and they really understand what agents are up against out there.
The ultimate goal, of course, is to be able to support the clients and make sure the clients are getting the best support they have.
I've had a successful day in my job if I can leave and I can point to someone who I helped them improve their business or improve their life.
At the end of the day, I'm a managing broker because I want to help support my agents, and I want everybody to be the best versions of themselves.